Hello everyone, once again I'm Sunny from the Power International. Today we are here at Kosuyolu Koru houses. Let's check it out what we have at this property. The project is located in Istanbul, the Asian side. And it is a beautiful landscape and is highly guarded due to the ministers and diplomats families that they live in here. Before we go to check out the social facilities because they grabbed my attention so much, let me tell you about the project area. It's about 29,000 square meters and we have 13 blocks here and more than 199 apartments. And they have also duplex, 3+1, 4+1 and the other things. Start with a gym. Here they have a cafe and there is a place for your children that they can play and stay in there, and there is a ping pong table. They have a massage room inside the project. You can get your reservation and get your massage. Let's go to the indoor swimming pool. When the weather gets chilly, you can come to the indoor swimming pool. And if you ask me, it's so hot and warm here, so you can enjoy your time. Let's see what we have here. Steam room and sauna. Let's check them out. Here we come, we start with this house. This is like 4+1. And when we talk about the combination of elegance and quality, let's talk about this place. And look at the view, you know, I cannot say anything. Watch it for yourself. And the high measures of a standard. Next one, the heart of the house, the kitchen. So we are informed that they will give you and provide all the appliances on the house and it's like full furnished. So if you come here, everything is ready to live. So we have the first bathroom here and the second bathroom is just right there, and in front of it we have the first room. It's mostly because of the sample house. We have a bed for your babies, so it's mostly for children. Here we have the closet, and here we have the second bedroom. It's again for children or your guest room. The master bedroom here and the other bedroom, and you can see the view yourself. Today we were at Kosuyolu Koru houses. I hope you enjoyed it all. This place is a region that mostly foreigners don't know about in the Asian side. But thank you for watching us and discover the power of investment.